5 AI tools to start your business. Are you tired of guessing whether or not your business idea will succeed? Say goodbye to asking long-form marketing surveys about your idea and welcome to Validator.ai. Validator.ai is a platform that will help you as an entrepreneur to validate your business idea using data-driven insight. So this platform will help you as a business owner or as an entrepreneur to validate your business idea and give you the insight you need to succeed. So these AI tools are very simple to use. So you will enter your business idea in the search bottom. AI will give you some feedback. So let me show you how that works. If I go here in the search bottom and I enter create a garbage can cleaning in Canada. When you click on this one, you're gonna see here the AI will generate you some insight with the business idea included. So in this niche is gonna have high startup cost, which is gonna depend on the scale of a business, cost to rent, buy the equipment, hire staff, and it's gonna tell me also it's very difficult to stand out the crowded market because there are already some similar business in Canada. It's tough to make your garbage can cleaning company stand out the rest. Yes, you can do it with ChatGPT, but it's writing me something different, research and comply with local regulation, purchase equipment, it's not really something very specific to the industry. So if you go on Validator is going to give you more precise information. So the second AI tool that I will introduce to you today is for a video creator. So with this AI tool that I want to introduce you today, you can be able to turn any text into video and also in voice. So click right here, start creating, and you see your dashboard is going to look like on new file. You're going to click on new file and you have to enter the name of your project, or you have to click either audio or video and you have to click here on create. You have the option to change the language and you go create. And as you see here, when you click here, you can listen to the voice and you have the option to change, the option to add the image here. You have to click here and you have different images. Some of them are not free, but you also have some here that are free. So if you click on this one, you can be able to grab this one. Let's take this one for example, and you see you have a video of a dog moving around. So let's click on this one and play the video for example, and you see the dog, and you can add more of your script here if you want to be able to write walking, for example, working in New York City. You can take your as a stock library, you can grab your as AI art, you can give some instruction and the AI tool is going to generate you by clicking here. And you see here we just type New York City and this AI tool is just right here. And we can also ask the AI tool to generate, we can use it. Or if none of this one not interested for you, you want to be able to add your own stock, you can come here and add your stock footage. You can choose the file and add any of the stock footage you want to be able to add. Here, click on convert and you're going to be able to convert tweet to video, or if you have a blog, you can be able to do Twitter and grab this tweet from Robert Kiyosaki. And we're going to copy this one here. And when you copy this one, you're going to go back to Flicky.ai. You're going to be able to go here and copy here, submit. Your tweet here, you can just come over and change and add any video you wanted. As you see, this AI tool is very amazing. It will help you to create a content in just 2 seconds. I will not recommend this AI tool for YouTube if you use this AI tool with the AI voiceover. If you want to be able to add your voice on the back, which is going to be the best one, but if you use the AI voiceover, you will get trapped by YouTube. And guys, as a gift for you today, for all the people who's going to check in the description on just right here, I'm going to give you 10% off on this website that is just show you this AI website to 10% off of your monthly plan. So check in the description right now to get your 10%. And guys, I want to bring this very clear to you. Each week, we will bring you AI tool that will save you time and money so you can get this money, focus on your business or taking care of your family. So that's where the next one's coming. So the next AI tool on the list is Guys, you know, in business, there is psychology. And when the customer knows about your name, it's a little bit easier for them to remember about your business. The AI tool you're going to discover today is called NameLeak. So this AI tool will help you to generate some name for your business. Check it out. So let's say you found an idea. You want to test this idea and you're ready to start right now. But did you find a name? Don't worry. So this AI tool will help you as an entrepreneur to create a unique and compelling brand name. So that will help you to make your business sound better. Let's say we want to create a business about spice. So we're going to add here spice and we're going to go on click on generate. And it's going to give you different options. You can be able to choose the style name. I want to build something more brandable. So I'm going to click on this one, brandable name, and you can go on next. When you go on next, you have the option here to choose which one to low, medium, and high. And also, if you already have some information about your business, your brand, you can be able to go right here, brand info, and you can add a description about your brand and the AI will create for you. So let's go on randomly and we're going to click on this one here, medium. We're going to go on next. And as you see here, the AI will give us different name. You know, Testy is something that will suit better with the name. And you see here, it's even going to generate you a logo for your business. Or if you're not really sure about the logo, you can go here and click on ideas and it's going to give you some ideas. You know, you have different options. The AI is going to do that for you. Also have the option to edit here. You're going to go here, you can add a slogan, you can add an icon, you can change, you can remove an icon, you can do anything you want in the background, the layout, anything guys you want to be able to do here. When your business is branded, the easier it is for the customer to remember. If you see here all those business here, you can easily think of them and go for the service. So if you're now ready to go to the next level, build your business, have a brand, and have a business card, logo, everything, this is a platform for you. So this platform is called Looka.com. So this AI tool will help you from the logo creation to the business card to any markup, anything you want for your business, for your t-shirt, everything. So the first step on this website is for sure go and sign up. And this AI tool is going to ask you to enter your industry. You're going to choose garage, for example. We're going to click on this one. We're going to go continue and it's going to give you different templates. And we're going to choose this style here. We're going to click on continue. And of course, we're going to choose the Great Senses Garage. Continue. And you're going to enter your company name. So we're going to type here, for example, Garage NI, which is going to mean Garage New York City. And we're going to go on continue. And since it's a garage, so we want to be able to have a symbol that means this one. So we're going to click on this one here as a truck and continue. And boom, you see. So I like this one and this one here. So let me know which one you prefer. So we're going to choose this one here, for example, to customize. And we're going to click on this one. And as you see, guys, on your left side, you have different options. You still can be able to choose the one that you like the most. And if you scroll down, you're going to see here, you can be able to choose a logo file to your social profile, your social cover, your business card, anything you need to brand your business, guys, it is on this platform here. You can have some cards you're going to send to the customer, newsletter, presentation, flyers, poster, invoice, you have everything. Even, you know, this one can be put at the end of your business and you have some t-shirt as well. Now, I guess you have a lot of questions, so I would love to answer to all those questions. So write in the comment what you think about those 5 AI tools. Also, if you want us to create a content about specific subject you want, please let us know in the comments so we can easily create a content you want. And that'll be very interesting to know which country you're watching this video from. So feel free to write in the comment which country. If you're watching from India, from USA, Canada, or anywhere you're watching this video, please let us know in the comment. So guys, as all good things have an end. So this is the end of the video and I see you in the next one.